Namaste from Namaste Tarot. So, if you are watching this, then it means you are meant to receive this guidance. Today, I'm asking the cards if you really like someone, okay, then how can you make them fall in love with you? Or if you are in a relationship with someone, what can you do to strengthen or to make your relationship more beautiful, to make your partner more attracted towards you, or to welcome passion and happiness in your life? So what should you be doing? Or maybe first we'll check what is the current energy of this relationship, how they feel about you, and then we'll see what is the future of this relationship. And the next thing would be what should you do to make them love you or care more for you or feel attracted towards you. So I have shuffled the cards, and I hope tarot gives you the guidance which you're meant to receive right now. So let's start, shall we? So we start with the future of this relationship, okay? Let's see. You have the Chariot and you have the Five of Cups. Um in fact, it's not the future. I'm sorry, I wanted to say the energy of this relationship. So I see like you are in this relationship, or you have met, if you're not in a relationship but you have met this person after going through a lot of pain, okay? I mean, your previous relationships or your past before meeting this person was not that good, okay? You have been lonely, you have been feeling betrayed, or the person before this, or in general it was not a very happy energy before this person came into your life. But the energy which I see this with this person with the Chariot is very strong, and it is like they are meant to be with you, okay? It's no what do you say, coincidence that they are in your life, or you have met them. They are meant to be with you with the Chariot, and they will stay with you, okay? I mean, this, I see this as a very long term relationship, and it is something which you desired in your life, okay? I see you are someone who really believes in love and who aspires to have love in their life, but you were not so lucky till now. So if you are in a relationship, I mean this, and already with a person, and if you're watching this, then this is your person. Or if you like someone and you think that they might be your person, so Chariot confirms that. So the energy is moving from negative to positive, and that's a very good thing for you. So we have the energy. Let's see if we know, we can ask the cards what is the future of this relationship. So the energy is moving from a very heartbreaking energy to a very positive and loving energy. And let's ask, what is the future of this relationship? You have the Temperance, okay? Temperance number 14, it's a card of balance, it's a card of divine guidance, I would say. So the future is, I mean, it is meant for you, okay? It's 14, so like, 14 February, it's Valentine Day. So the future is very positive. This is a soulmate relationship, and this person is meant for you, and they'll stay in your life, okay? So the future is very positive. And with the Temperance, I suggest you that it is a card which talks about balance, okay? So some, we'll check with the energy of what you should be doing to make that person love you more or to strengthen your relationship. But with the Temperance, I can tell you like you need to I mean, balance in terms like, if you are in a relationship and you are giving more preference to your work or something else other than your love life, you need to bring that balance. And if you are in a relationship and you're giving everything to your love life, you need to bring in that balance also. So you need to be 50-50. That is what will keep this person attracted towards you. Don't just fall on them, give, be with them, but at the same time do other things in your life. Everything is important, and at the same time don't ignore them. So you need to be very sure that you balance, okay, the priorities in your relationship to keep this person attracted towards you. We'll check other things, what else you can do to make them fall in love with you, or to make them love you more, or to strengthen your relationship. But balance is one thing which we see, and the future, as I said, it's very positive. They are meant for you and they'll be with you. See, you have 7 and 14, 7 plus 7, 14. So it is, for me, it's a very strong couple energy and a soulmate connection which I see. So very good, whoever it is watching this. So one more thing which will ask the cards, what you should do, okay, to make them fall in love with you, or to strengthen your relationship, okay, or to make this relationship more loving. So again, okay, I see some pain here, okay, with the Three of Swords, and at the same time, I see something which is full of love, abundance, and happiness. That is the Sun. So, what you should do, I would tell you that first is like, if you have any past trauma, okay, the past is past, okay, you should not keep on bringing that past in your present. That is what I will tell you, because if you keep doing that, it might impact your relationship. This person might start feeling trapped with you, okay. So if you are really like someone, so don't talk to them about your past, okay. Your past is past. Talk to them about your present and what future you see with them. Changing your energy in that way will make them feel attracted towards you for sure. So let your past go out. With the Three of Swords, it's a very painful card. It tells about pain, heartbreak, but healing at the same time. So it's gone. And what you should do is show your best self to them, okay. The way you look, the way you talk, present yourself in such a way that they feel that you are the most happiest person on the planet, okay. Doing so will actually make them feel very attracted towards you, and it will change your relationship to a great extent, okay. So they are aspiring, that loving and radiant kind of energy from you. They don't want them to feel that past energy with you, okay. Healing is done, pain is gone, let it go. But now you need to show them the best of you, okay. Show them the best of the way you look, the best of the way you talk, the best of the way you feel, okay. So your best of you will make them feel loved with you, and that will happen for sure, because as I mentioned, this is a soulmate connection. So I don't need to draw more cards. I hope whoever is meant to receive this message, they have their message, and it helped you. Thank you so much.